loving yourself and believing in yourself is the first step to manifesting anything you desire. Hello my beautiful souls, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I manifest. What steps do I use? What techniques do I use to manifest my dreams? Alright guys, so the first step is using affirmations. They are so crucial to training your subconscious. I wanted to manifest being confident a while ago. I had actually written an essay for my psychology course, and it was about shyness. And so my professor said, I wonder how you would perceive the world if you didn't believe that you were shy. And I was like, wow. That's right, I would be a totally different person if I wasn't shy. So I decided that I would use daily affirmations in the morning, right when I woke up and right before I went to bed at night. And I would wake up in the morning, I would look into my eyes in the mirror and say, I am confident. And I did that almost every single day for a year. And let me tell you, I'm definitely way more confident than I used to be. Affirmations are a great way to train your subconscious mind. There's so many beliefs that we hold in our mind that just are not true. They're just things that maybe society and our environment has trained us to believe. You are responsible for changing those beliefs about yourself, and a great way to do that is to use affirmations. Sometimes when I get up in the morning, I YouTube daily affirmations and I listen to Leeor Alexandria, and she has some amazing affirmations, and you can just play it in the background while you're getting up, getting ready, or while you're at gym. I do it whenever I can because I can just feel the energy change, and I can feel my doubts just going away. Another way you can manifest is by using elements. You can use water. I use this trick near the new moon or the full moon. What I do is I take a bottle of water and I say everything that I want to it. All my affirmations, such as I am abundant, I am healing, I am confident, I am loved. Whatever you want to manifest. If you want to manifest love, just say I'm in a healthy relationship. Even if you're not in a relationship right now, you have to say everything in a way that's affirming. Nothing that's negative, because the universe doesn't understand negative. You could just say everything that you want to that water. And actually, before you say it to the water, you have to shake it. The reason you shake it is so it forgets everything it has ingrained in it, the molecules and everything, and whatever energies that are in there, you shake it up so they're like moving in motion and ready to get other information. I learned this technique from another YouTuber. You would shake the water, make sure it forgets everything it has, because water goes through a lot. It goes through pipes if you're drinking tap water. It goes through all these energy fields. If you're getting water from the store, then it has the energy of people who made it and people who transferred it and people who came by it at the store. So make sure you shake your water and so it doesn't have any memories. And then once it's shook, then you say your affirmations to it or what you want to manifest. For example, if you want everybody to know your name in the world, and say everybody knows who I am, billions of people love me all around the world. If you want to be famous, then you charge it in the moonlight and you drink it a little bit every day throughout the month. I'll leave her video down below so you guys can go and watch it. And she manifests with water, and I use the technique and it works for me. Just believe that it is doing what you asked it to do. Scientific research that was done a while ago where a scientist talked to the water with love and kindness, and the other water was given negative speech. So once the water was crystallized, the water that was talked negatively to, it had like stray lines or like zigzags. It was just random. But when it came to the water that was talked to nicely and with love, it had crystals, like actual crystals, beautiful crystals. I'll link the study down below if you guys are interested, if I can find it. It was a while ago when I learned about this. Another element that you can use is fire. I saw this just yesterday. She's another YouTuber. Good lord, why do I keep forgetting this YouTuber's name? I just recently subscribed to her, but she got this technique from like a guru who's trained billionaires to manifest. And what he does is he uses fire and then he just kind of blows it out. Either you say your manifestation and then you blow it out with your hand, and your manifestation will come true. Or you can blow out your doubts about your manifestation. So if you blow out the candle, you're blowing out all the doubts that you have. Those are different ways to use elements. I'm sure there's more ways to use them. You can go ahead and Google that, because all information is literally on the tip of your hands. Just Google it. Now, tip number 3 to manifest is acting as if you're already the version of yourself that you want to manifest. Let's say that if you want to be a YouTuber, okay, then act as if. Make the videos, edit the videos, upload the videos. Believe as if you are already a famous YouTuber and there's people waiting for your content. Believe it, be it. Feel the emotion as if you were already a famous YouTuber. How would you feel if you had so many people that you were helping with whatever video you're making? You'd feel amazing. You'd feel, oh, I helped one person and that's good enough for me, you know? Believe as if. So align your actions and emotions to the person that you want to become, that you want to manifest. And the next step is to have faith that you will get what you want. Without faith, guys, without believing that it will happen, it's really hard. So make sure you have full belief in yourself and full faith that it will come to fruition. You put in the action, you put in the effort, you put in the emotions, you put in your hard work. Of course, you're gonna reap the fruits. You're gonna get what you deserve because you put in that effort. And the next step is asking the universe of what you want. A lot of people don't believe in a God, but you believe that there's a universe and there's a higher power, right? So pray to that higher power. Ask him. Please just ask and you shall receive. I've heard this so many times and it's so true. When I was a kid, I told my mom that, hey mom, I want to live right near the mall so I could go there every day. Guess what? I'm literally living 2 minutes down the road from the mall. It's pretty insane. I used to have a dream of going to Hawaii someday, and I just wanted to be there so bad. So I asked God, or the universe, God, take me to Hawaii. I just want to go there. I just want to see how it's like. I just want to visit once. I want to see the beauty. I want to see the waterfalls. I want to see the clear beaches, the black sand beaches. Guess what? I'm going there for my honeymoon. It's amazing. Another step that you can do to manifest is to visualize. People don't understand how visualization is really key. I've heard of this scientific study where they were studying basketball players and they were checking their brain activity, and so there were 2 groups. There was a group that was actually playing basketball, and then there was a group that was visualizing playing basketball. They both had the same brain waves, and that's mind-blowing to me. They're not actually physically playing basketball, they're only visualizing it, but they're using the same amount of brain energy to create even that imagination. Visualization is really important. I suggest you do it right when you wake up and right when you go to sleep. The reason you do it when you are sleepy is because that's an in-between state where you're able to really manifest and visualize easily. One thing I'll tell you guys is, this is kind of like, it's kind of putting me in a vulnerable spot, but I'll share it with you guys. When I was young, when I came here to America, I was 6 years old. I came from India, where I was born and raised, and I felt very different from everybody else around me, and I felt ugly, and I felt just unaccepted because I was bullied a lot. I didn't know English and all of that. So I wouldn't even like photos being taken of me. Like, I hated photos. I hated people taking photos of me and my dad uploading them on Facebook. I'm like, Dad, I look fucking hideous, why did you upload that? Like, I was that kind of person. And I would pray to God and the universe every single night, God, make me beautiful. Please help me feel like how I would feel if I was a beautiful person inside and out. And you know, I like to think I'm pretty fucking beautiful now. I think I manifested it. It was a really hard time in my life, and now I feel beautiful both inside and out. I'm actually a model and I'm an actor and I love being in front of the camera, and I've been published in many magazines. Ask and you shall receive. I'm trying to think of any more tips I have that I use to manifest. Journaling is a really good way to manifest too, to write down your affirmations instead of just saying them. I think writing down is also key to training your subconscious. I recently started meditating again. I used to do it very often. I feel like spirituality, it's like up and down. Sometimes you kind of fall off the track and then you come back to it. I think meditating really helps with clearing your mind and forming that belief and love within yourself. I think loving yourself and believing in yourself is the first step to manifesting anything you desire. So do that, meditate. Anyway guys, actually I think this is all I have for this video. I hope it helped you out. Please try these tips and let me know how it works in the comments down below. I would love to know how successful you guys were, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, comment anything you want down below. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Every little bit of engagement that you do for my videos, they help my channel grow, and I really want my channel to grow, and I want to help more people. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys. Oh wait, one more thing. Use placebo. Using water, it can be your placebo, or maybe wearing something, maybe like a ring or maybe a necklace, and just saying that this is gonna bring me good luck, this is gonna give me an amazing day. Say it to that thing that you're wearing, or maybe even what you're eating. If you're eating a kiwi, I had a kiwi today, I'm gonna be like, this kiwi is gonna bring me new opportunities, and eat it and believe in it that it will. Just because you ate that kiwi, these little things can act as placebo and lead your subconscious into believing. Anyway guys, I love you all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.